everyone, welcome to Deanna Creates. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my latest order from Robin at Robin Song. So Robin recently had her 1-year anniversary, and so for celebrating that, she had a great discount on her website, and so I took full advantage of that, and I just wanted to show you some of the great products that I got. I tell you, the discount was so good that her husband Ron was worried that he was probably going to have to eat peanut butter sandwiches for a while because the discount was so great. So if you guys aren't following Robin at Robin Song, please go over there and follow. They are just the most fun. Her and Ron are on there, and they you really feel like a community. You see people, the same people there, and so it just feels like you're there with old friends, and it's just really a fun place. So so let's just get into all the goodies that I got. So the first thing that I got was this stencil from Chiabella, and I just think that this is one of those stencils that is just perfect for anything. For adding, to corners or backgrounds or adding to your piece. I know that Robin uses this stencil quite a bit, and I just really, really love it. And so I got this one, and then I also got this stencil from Chiabella, and I love it too. I just think it's a stencil that can provide a lot of different uses, and so I can see me using both of these a lot in my projects. And then, of course, I had to get some decoupage papers. I haven't ordered any decoupage papers in a really long time, and I took advantage of that. So the first one is this fairy one, and I've been eyeballing this for quite some time, and I just love it. I just think it is so fun, and believe it or not, I'm already thinking about Halloween, and I have some ideas for this paper. So I got that one. And then kind of in the same thing, I love this fall paper. I wanted to get this last year and I never did. And I just think it's just so adorable. And so I picked that one up on the sale. And then I got this one. This is a Chiabella paper, and I just thought this would be beautiful for a background. It has all of my colors that I like, my pinks, my turquoises, just all the things, and I thought this would be perfect for a project. Kind of the same with this one. This is also a Chiabella, and look at the colors in that, you guys. And it has everything I like. It's got some script, it's got some like flourish stuff down here, and it's got all the right colors. And then I got this really muted one, which is also Chiabella. I had a theme going on, I guess. And I can see using this in different, sections of this can be used. This bird, oh my goodness, isn't he just adorable? And then here's another background. This is called Spring Stripes. And I just thought it would be perfect for a background. Maybe use it with some farmhouse animals, molds, or something like that. Quilted background in this gorgeous blue. Dainty and the Queen. So this has like brick on it. And then of course it has flowers, and again I just thought this would be just perfect as a background. All of these are pretty much backgrounds, and this one I love it. It's called Coach House Cottage, and notice the theme of the pink going throughout most of these papers. And then I got, these were from, I believe, the spring release, and I didn't get anything from that spring release, but these are the words in quotes from L&J Goods, and you guys know how much I love words, and I love putting quotes and all of that in all of my art, and I just thought these would be perfect. And so this one is favorite quotes, and so there's all kinds of live in the sunshine, swim in the air, drink the wild air. That's by Oscar Wilde. We can't direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. Just tons of goodness in here. That would be perfect to add to a project or even in our art journals. Then the next one is garden words. As it is gardening time, this has just all kinds of great words on there and quotes. Her heart was a secret garden. Oh, I love that. The earth smiles in flowers. A time to every season. Just lots of goodness in this one. And then the last one is called special words. And so it is this one. And so it has lots of empowering things. I am, imagine, beauty, create, fragile, artist, love yourself, you are amazing, you're brave, you're strong. Just all the good things that we need to remind ourselves about and would be great in our journals. So those are the papers that I got. And so I'm so excited to use these and the stencils. And then the other things that I got were some paint. So I love to try out, Robin uses these products in her lives, and some of them when I see the colors I'm just like drooling. And so I have colors that I keep wanting to try. So when I try to order from her, then I try to add, some of the colors I've been wanting. So this one is called Angel Eyes, and it's just this really pretty kind of bluish, greenish color. And then this one's called Abundance, which is kind of similar in color but a little darker. And I'm going to put them on my art journal here in just a minute so you can see. And then these are the Paint Couture Luxe Metallics that they came out with these. Oh, I don't remember. It hasn't been too long. But you guys, these are gorgeous. And there's so many beautiful of these metallics. It was hard to pick. But she had just used these two in a project. And so I saw what they look like actually on something. So this one is called Royal Silk. And it's this most gorgeous purple color. And then this one is called Slate Blue. So I'm going to put those in my art journal real quick just to kind of give you an idea of what the colors are so that you can just see. So the first one I'm going to put down is the Angel Eyes, and it's just really a pretty color. It's kind of just a soft bluish, grayish green. I don't really know how to describe it, but I love it. I think it looks very farmhouse, very country, and actually kind of shabby chic, I think. So here is the color of that. I don't know how well you can see it, but it really has that farmhouse look to it. And then the next one is this one called Abundance, and I haven't shaken these or stirred them or anything. And this one is just a little bit, it's a little darker. And this one has water on my brush, so. But they go, I mean, it's really kind of hard to see the difference, but I'm sure when they dry, it'll dry a little bit darker. But it is so pretty. Just ignore that. That's where I've been practicing brush strokes, which is what you do in your art journal, right? And then these Luxe Metallics, so the Slate Blue. Just going to take some off the lid. Oh gosh, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And of course you're not going to be able to see the goodness of the shimmer in it, but it is so pretty. And I don't know, you won't be able to see here if you can kind of tell the lid, but it is a beautiful blue. And then this Royal Silk is gorgeous. I love purple too. I love all the colors, but it's not like a purple. I mean, not like a bright purple. It's just muted and it's just beautiful. And so it looks like that. And again, I know that those are hard to see, but here's kind of the color of it. You can kind of see in the lid, but it is beautiful. It looks like, it's like royalty looking almost. All right, and then her whole anniversary celebration was, she was just drawing names. They came up with this wheel, and so they were spinning a wheel and drawing names, and I was fortunate enough that they drew my name, and I won these really beautiful earrings that Robin made herself. And they're so pretty. They're purple, like glitter in the background, and then they have these really sweet petite roses on there in pink and some pearls around them, and they're just beautiful. So thank you, Robin, for these beautiful earrings. And then I got a sample of a Stardust metallic. I haven't opened it yet, but so I got that in with my order just as a thank you. So that is my order from Robin at Robin's Song, and I'm so excited, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I got in case that, you know, you're looking for some new things to try. So so that's it. So I can't wait to do some projects with these, and I'll be sure to show you guys what I make with all of these and how I use them. And so I hope you guys have a lovely day or evening or whatever time it is where you are. I love and light to you all, and we'll see you again real soon.